teman ya di kamsai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungji.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang kami buat show.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Khat prangut kinong belati Dewïong. Ilayap haka jing bethay u dynamite haka krem ti Dewïong Beaiñ haka snong mensengan. East Gentle Hills District kabaraja haka santri gurumpang arja pendriu haka por kumbah kadui bijim stem. U Myntri rang baka jela kuanat sangma haka ji krem begila bethay kubor le thu baka Sokar kelapan jingirap nagi pulin ka kenhun State Disaster Response Force bat ka kenhun Special Rescue Team banyo say yakinong bela suba baki dang dan ki badang sakut apo krem kabala kalem. Hakabai day bagi nagi jingja way nagi nong bala ubala pudung ding naka jing bethayu dynamite la penkit no sya sutnga Community Health Center. Bat kam hadien la penkeriak no sya kiweki hospital panyo ya jing sumar kabakhamha. Ki pulit kila ujor daka sumuto FIR ha Riat Police Station hapo ki kendon jaga BNS bat hapo ka MMDR Act bat haka Section 3 jongka Explosives Substances Act. U Myntri rang ba ulay thu baka Sokar kala bensyat haki arngut ki Myntri Sokar kata hau ba la kemen remboi bat hau ba wailar miki Sheila ban pelong ya ke jing Tohkit bat ban Phah ya ka kai phot Sheikh Sokar.
Today we had a very tragic incident that took place in East Gentle Hills where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Minsingot, Thangsko area in East Gentle Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Dewïong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnel from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakmen Rumbui and Mr. Wailat Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You are aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time, individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself, but this is the information that we have as of now. So I thought I will share that with you.